Steak,
Hello?
I need your help.
What?
This is bad.
With what?
I cannot contain my chat. It's bad. Okay,
Wait, let me
they
go-
have been
let me go
spamming lag for the last 10 minutes and they will not stop. I banned the word lag and they won't stop. I don't know what to do. I turned off the chat and turned it back on and they're still spamming it.
Are you lagging?
No, they're trolling me. How do I get them to stop? They won't stop.
It looks like your mods are timing them out.
Actually, that's Nightbot, but Nightbot is hard at work right now.
Bro, just ignore it. Who cares?
Should I tell Sammy?
Just ignore it. You're fine. You're gonna survive.
Can you tell Sammy to tell them to stop?
Yeah, I'll tell Sammy to ban them if they keep spamming lag. How about that?
Yes, thank you. Perfect.
Yep. Okay, everybody keep spamming it.
No, my gosh, bro.